So in order to apply info cards like this, you need to go to your YouTube Studio and manage videos, or you could just otherwise click here. And after you got in here, you just click the pen icon, scroll down a little bit, and you can see cards. So adding info cards are pretty easy. You could choose where to put it. You could choose what location you want to add your info cards. For example, I want it in the middle. I could choose whether video, playlist, channel, or link. Or I could just add simply here. For example, I want video. Then I choose how to make banner. Basically, this is the name of the video that you choose previously. Custom message is also known as the description of the info card, and teaser is known as the title. For example, I want this. Let's say free tutorial for YT banner, and this is appearing to be as a title. And this is my custom message right here. And this is basically the main description. So if you're done, just click save. You can do more than 2 if you like. Then we're done. It's already been saved and we're done for this tutorial. So I hope you like this video and see you in the next video.